In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure to retrofit your vehicle's air conditioning system from R12 to 134A and recharge the system. In this step, we're going to talk about the tools required in order to properly retrofit and service your AC system. What I have here first is my magnetic tray. I have my recharge and retrofit kit. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and get into a little depth with you. What the kit comes with are replacement fittings, cans of refrigerant. This also has a stop leak and a bearing conditioner in it. And it has a hydroscopic lubricant that will absorb any moisture in your AC system. It comes with enough to do most vehicles. I have 3 cans here. What you're also going to need, this comes in the kit. If you buy a cheaper kit, it won't, and you'll have to purchase this separately. This is your recharging gauge and hose, and my standard and metric socket set. These are the tools and the supplies necessary to properly retrofit and service your AC system.